My name is Rudy Haryanto. I am from Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. I would like to present our paper. The title of our paper is Awareness and Interest of South Kalimantan Community toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. Indonesia is currently focusing on vocational education and skill improvement in order to improve the quality of human resources. In quantity, there are far fewer vocational graduates than academic education graduates. Vocational higher education job absorption is lower compared to that of academic higher education. Efforts are needed to increase public awareness and interest in vocational education. Previous findings show that 60% of SMA or SMK graduate in South Kalimantan choose to continue their education in private institution or higher education outside South Kalimantan, work or become unemployed. The highest unemployment rate in South Kalimantan is actually at the high school level, which is 5.66%. This is opportunity for high vocational education to absorb SMA or SMK graduate and to reduce unemployment for SMA or SMK graduates. Problem identification in this research are the level of awareness of prospective student and high school and vocational high school student prospective parent toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. The second is the level of interest of prospective student and high school and vocational high school student prospective parent toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. The third is ways to increase awareness and interest of prospective student and high school and vocational high school student prospective parent toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. Respondents were given a questionnaire which was developed based on indicator in Markplus research in 2021 entitled Survey of Public Interest in Vocational Education. Data collection used online survey. Research responded were parent and student of high school and vocational high school student in South Kalimantan and in South Kalimantan. The criteria for selecting the sample include 13 until 65 of age, parent with children attending high school or vocational high school grade 1, 2, and 3, student attending high school or vocational high school grade 1, 2, and 3. The selection of the number of respondents was taken from the Regency or big city in South Kalimantan, with the highest number of SMA and SMK students, based on data taken from statistic data kemendikbud.go.id. Margin error is 5% with level of confidence 95%. The number of sample was calculated using the Slopin formula and the total are 400 people. Our research shows respondent profile. As we can see, based on the student hobbies, playing games, 43.8%, sport, 38.7%, sightseeing, 32.6%, reading, 24.4%, singing 23.9%, and cooking 20%. Based on student dreams job, entrepreneur 30.9%, policeman 7.4%, doctors 6.3%, soldier 6%, civil servant 5.7%, e-sport athletes 5.6%, and teacher 4.3%. Based on favorite subject, PA 44.8%, religion 36.9%, art and culture 2.3%, bahasa Indonesia 21.8%, and English 21.7%. The research found that vocational education level is the level of education that student and parent know the least. The level of introduction of student and parent to Banjarmasin State Polytechnic is quite good. That is 75.9% of student parent and 68.9% of student. Most sources of information about Banjarmasin State Polytechnic are obtained through social media, teacher or school, and friends. Respondents are quite interested in continuing their studies or recommended their children to continue their study. This is mainly because Polyban graduates are ready to work after they graduate. Many respondents did not know about the shorter study time in Polyban. State University is most respondent favorite choice, followed by State Polytechnic. The main consideration of respondent in choosing a university other than Banjarmasin State Polytechnic is the suitability of interest and dream job. The last finding about interest is respondent agreed to recommend Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. Effort to increase awareness of Banjarmasin State Polytechnic are utilizing social media as the main medium for disseminating information about and promoting Banjarmasin State Polytechnic, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter. The second is establishing cooperation and making school visit both at high school and vocational high school level. The third is building good bonds with alumni, parents, guardians of Banjarmasin State Polytechnic students. Wherever possible, special meetings, communities, or groups are held on social media as a means of communication for the campus as well as to disseminate and promote Banjarmasin State Polytechnic to wide audience. The main target that need to be increased are prospective student interests. Promotional material should be emphasized on the advantage and main characteristic of Polyban. Those are ready to work graduates and shorter study time. Massive and structured promotional activities can use influencer, icon, and public figure to boost the popularity of the Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. The management can evaluate and add the choice of major, study program, and the existing curriculum as to whether they are in accordance with the interest and aspiration of prospective students. The choice of major, study program, and curriculum at Polyban should also focus on entrepreneurial skill, business skill in its scientific field. I repeat, the choice of major, study program, and curriculum at Polyban should also focus on entrepreneurial skill or business skill in its scientific field. The last one, the need for a special approach in order to increase the willingness of prospective student parents in recommending Polyban to others. The conclusion of our research are the level of awareness of prospective student and high school and vocational high school student prospective parent toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic is quite good. That is 75.9% of student, parent, and 68.9% of student. The second is the level of interest of prospective student and high school and vocational high school student prospective parent toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic is quite good, where for student it is 73.4% and parent are 84.3%. There is the need for some effort to increase awareness and interest of prospective student and parent of student toward Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. The suggestion to increase the interest of community in Kalimantan Selatan are utilizing social media by using internet media in the form of advertisement to the targeted prospective student, high school or vocational school student. Second, posting of advertisement on social media emphasizing on vocational values. The third is advertising content can display material in the form of talk show, education, or miniseries conducted by Polyban. Fourth, interpreting vocational education into a persona through the presence of icon or character, like influencer, actor, actresses, and public figures. Next, utilizing hearing activities for parents, especially during the pandemic, which can be carried out through offline, limited, and virtual event or seminar. Next, creating awareness and interest in Polyban and highlighting its quality. It is deemed necessary to refocusing Polyban social media content. And Polyban can use an entrepreneurial marketing approach in their education. That's all for our paper. Thank you for your attention.